DRG family? We're back today. Going to pick up a mower from my buddy Tyler. He's waiting on me right now, actually. So we're gonna get the trailer cleaned off, and I'm gonna take y'all with me today. I know it's been a while since I've really been in front of the camera. Man, this season has been busy, but that's a whole nother video. It's gonna be a video where we're talking about what's up next, but so we're gonna go pick this mower up. As y'all can see, I got Camaro stocks on there, Super 10, full exhaust system I gotta take off the trailer. So yeah, so I'll be back 1 second. Well, y'all, we got the trailer cleaned off. Then I got halfway to the gas station. I had to turn around to get my camera off of the hood of the truck built that's in the backyard. And I also forgot the money, so I had to turn all the way around. So now I'm headed to the gas station now. We're gonna fuel up, and then we're gonna head to Tyler's house. And yeah, we're gonna pick up this mower. We're gonna go from there. But I'll get back with y'all in just a moment. Alright, y'all, so we got a mower we just picked up from my buddy Tyler. We took the battery out because obviously it's not my battery. So, but yeah, got one of those good old Briggs and Strattons on there, and guess what? It's better than that that new intake stuff, the plastic gears and all that. But I already know what I'm gonna do. So apparently the backstory behind this one, the lady's ex-husband, he pretty much like started taking stuff off of it. He was mad with her or whatever, but it doesn't matter. We'll get it figured out. It runs and drives. I drove it up on the trailer. The blades come on, so he didn't do a very good job of tearing it up. I tell you that. He just took the mufflers off. He started to try to slice right there, but didn't do him any good, so that's fine. The carb could use a little cleaning, but we'll get it figured out. It's real clean though. Real clean. Should take us a day or two to flip that, but it ain't bad. Then also got these push mowers from, I think that one right there just needs carb work. And I got pull cords and I got plenty of parts with these, as y'all know. I got like 3 of them on the side of the house, so I guess he sabotaged that one too, but as you can see, he didn't do a very good job, so it is what it is. So yeah, got these 2 from him and that one right there. I got this ride mower for a real good price because he mostly deals in 0 turns and side-by-sides and ATVs. So y'all know the regular riders, that's my style, and push mowers. I only work on my own ATVs. I don't work on nobody else's ATVs. I will work on them and flip them though, but just a lot that go into it. But let's get this thing pulled down, shall we? Alright, y'all, this is me just getting back with y'all. I finally got everything unloaded. I've been messing with those push mowers for about 20 minutes. Craftsman starts with starting fluid, and that one right there seems to want to start. So I have a Troy bit over there with a fried engine on it, and I'm just gonna get the carburetor off of it and the gas tank and the cover. Like I said, y'all, like I said, this mower was still fairly new, man. Like I said, the lady's ex-husband got mad with her. He took the gas tank off of this one right here. He just took the gas tank, the engine cover, the air filter. But talk about being petty, right? He could have just put something in the gas tank and been done with it, right? But hey, whatever. Yeah, everything else is still there. This bag, I actually had a spare bag that I put on there, so that didn't come with it. I think he took the bag too. So this Craftsman here, it runs with starting fluid. I tried to pull a throttle cable over from one of my Toros over there. It doesn't fit. It's not compatible, so I'm just going to have to order the right one. Because he took the throttle cable off and he had it like wired up right here. So that's the other thing he did with that one, but it's cool. And like I said, the riding mower, everything works on it. He just cut the exhaust off. It's like he wanted to mess it up, but he didn't do a good job. He took the air filter and stuff off of that too. So it's cool. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, man, I ain't been able to fill y'all in, man, but I done fixed and sold about 3 or 4 Husqvarnas, honestly. I just haven't been on camera, man. This one right here I also bought from my buddy Tyler. Has that big 20 horse V10 on here. Woo. But yeah, it runs and cuts good. I bought it from him. Only thing it needed was a belt. Needed a belt, deck brakes, and a deck cable. PTO cable, same thing. And a battery. So I still need to clean it up, but I did put an inner tube in this back tire back here because it wouldn't stay up for any reason, and I see why. That's my personal John Deere right there. And also, I got this Poland recently. It runs. I gotta put a new deck cable on it. I broke it, and I need 2 inner tubes for the tire. So easy fix, man. I just haven't had time, honestly. So yeah, man. I also gotta show y'all. Hold on. Gotta show y'all this other. This one right here I'm probably gonna end up keeping. It needs some work, obviously. It runs though. I gotta run new fuel lines. I paid next to nothing for it, honestly, and I didn't expect it to run at all. So I put gas in the carburetor, and it fired right up. But what I am gonna do though, I gotta run new lines though. The guy cut the fuel lines, and he was like, "Oh, it won't run. It just spins over." The fuel pump was bad on it, so yeah, all of that could have been avoided. So, but ain't nothing wrong with taking stuff apart, trying to learn. And I gotta reseal these tires, obviously, but and this Craftsman over here, I've been stealing parts off of. I didn't get a chance to show y'all the red Craftsman I had. It was a 2018. It was beautiful. I bought this one because I had to steal the brakes off of it. That was the problem. I can't get to it from there, but that was the problem with the 2018 Craftsman. It had no brakes, so. And someone took the caliper, spring, and all of that off, so I just stole it off of this one. This one right here fires right up, but ooh, wasp. That's not good. I took all of this off, y'all, because I stole the starter off of it to put on that Poland under the carport. But this one right here, it starts right up, but it smokes like a freight train. These are head gaskets, so yeah, that's gonna be my next project for the winter. I just want to learn how to actually do that. So I'm going to be practicing on this one. So, yep. Transmission and PTO and the deck and everything is good on this one. So, yeah. I only paid like $50 for it. So, it's just good because I can steal parts off of it. It has saved me a lot of money, I'll tell you that. But yeah, man. Pretty much what we got going on. All of my Super 10s to go on the Mustang. It came off of a Silverado truck that my brother was parting out, so I still have not started on this Troy build, but I don't know. I need to steal this part off of it though for that one I just bought from Tyler. So yep, that's pretty much what we got on tap for that. Hold on, let me turn y'all around. Yeah, man, that's pretty much what we got on tap, man. I'm trying to think what video is gonna be up next. My cousin wants to buy this Husqvarna, so I gotta actually pull that out and get it cleaned up. Probably do that video today, actually. Just clean it up and just chat, man, run my mouth and yap. So I might just save that video for tomorrow. I don't know if he's still coming today. I haven't heard from him, so worst case scenario, we're just gonna clean it up and just put it on Marketplace anyway. So yeah, I don't mind holding stuff for people, but you gotta be straight up. You gotta let me know. So if you can't do that, it's going on Marketplace. Hey, somebody will buy it. That's what people fail to realize. So that's another thing for y'all that's wanting to get into this. Like I said, man, it's good days and it's rough days, but it's more good than bad for sure. Yeah, you can't be fazed by stuff easily, man. That's just all I really gotta say on it. You know, not every deal. Not to make it sound bad, but not every deal is gonna go your way. Especially when you're buying mowers. Just like I buy from a lot of people. Those people also end up being my customers because they want to get one that's ready to go. So it's kind of like a trade-in price, and then you know pay the rest. That's okay, but you just can't always go into it looking to think you're just gonna win 100% every time. It's not gonna happen. You're gonna have some deals when you buy something, and it's not always the person's fault that you're buying from. Most people you're buying from, they don't know anything about mowers. That's why they're selling it to you so cheap. So every mower I buy, you know what I go into it looking at it as? I'm gonna use it as parts, or use it for parts. If you go into it with that attitude, you'll be alright. Sorry, the camera's wonky right now, y'all. I'm trying to this trailer situated. I ain't gonna go too far in depth with that. I got another video coming up that gonna be like a little tips and tricks video, and then I'll have a video about what tools you need to get started. You don't need much, man. You ain't gotta go too crazy about it. But yeah, I want that to be a whole nother video, so I ain't gonna go too in depth to it. Right now I'm just putting some stuff up. I'm feeling good about getting in front of the camera again, man. I was just burnt out, man. Cause I stream video games on top of that, man. I was just burnt out with getting in front of the camera. Like I don't even do that no more. But alright guys, the next video is gonna be getting this hustle varnish cleaned up. It might be later on today. So if you see the same outfit, just know, yeah, it's later on the same day. But we're gonna get it pulled out and cleaned up later on. My cousin is supposed to come look at it today. I haven't heard from him, whatever. Still gotta be cleaned up so I can put it on the market. So yeah, man, I think that's about it for today though. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification. Yeah, man, we'll see what the future holds. You know, my channel is all over the place, you know. I do reactions, I game, you know. I like doing reviews, and I like working on stuff, man. So my channel's all over the place. I'm thinking about doing a rebrand and changing my name. I don't know, man. I'm thinking about it. So, yeah, man. Oh, I was gonna close the gate, y'all. I got to put my trailer up. Well, actually, let me show y'all something. Y'all excuse my junky trailer. I had to carry bricks with me because I always forget my toe straps, and I have to put those. I need to put some C-channel pockets over here so I have something to strap it up to. But a story for another day. I know y'all see my trailer lights, but don't judge me. So this is what happens. This is what happens when you wanna help somebody out, and you pay somebody to do something that you could have did yourself, and you're beating yourself up about it. Look how this is ran, bro. Look at this. Why is this tied around here, bro? Look at this, bro. Like I told him to use this because I'm gonna shrink wrap this anyway, but I gotta rerun all of this. This is awful. Oh, let me show you something even better. It gets even worse. Look how lazy that is. Look at this. And no, a shop did not do that. It was like some backyard work, but I was just trying to help the dude out, man. And it's like, come on, common sense should tell you. It's not even like it had to be. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Got a text message. It's not even like it had to be ran that neatly it's my work trailer. I don't care. It's not like it's not my pressure washing trailer, which I plan on getting real soon. I had to take my water tank off of that trailer because I need it to haul more, so I can't lug around a big water tank on there. But my buddy Hunter told me he got a few of the tanks. He said I can come get one of them, but I sold mine recently. I sold 2 of them actually, but I gotta get over there and actually get one of them because I plan on getting a smaller trailer. I plan on getting a smaller trailer soon. I'm still gonna have this one obviously, but this one right here is just to haul mowers, side by sides, 4-wheelers, you know, the use. So, but yeah, man, we got some big things coming to the channel, man. I'm excited. Everything's going pretty smooth in my life, you know. Of course, it's gonna be a hiccup or two. I'm sorry if I'm not looking at the camera, y'all. I'm trying to back this trailer up in my backyard. Yeah, so we got some good stuff coming to the channel, man. I'm excited. Some good stuff pertaining to our workspace. That's all I can say. I can't say nothing else. Hopefully I'm off work to film the process. If not, y'all just have to see a before and after, but we will see, man. Alright, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video, man. I'm finna get out of here. I'm finna go in the house, get me some cold water. Y'all don't forget, stay hydrated, man. It's hot out here, so especially if you don't have an air-conditioned workspace, which I don't yet, but it's okay. Been trying to hunt down a shop fan on Marketplace, and they're selling as quick as they're posted. So I appreciate y'all for stopping by the video, man. Like, subscribe. I'm out of here.